So Samsung finally shows us what using the Galaxy Fold in real life would look like. And holy crap, this thing is freaking awesome. When opened, we get a 7.3-inch display with an ugly notch, which I still question the existence of. And when closed, we get a 4.6-inch display, which is 2 inches smaller than what Huawei has to offer on its Mate X. There's this satisfying clicky sound you get when you close the phone. Listen to this. I love that, and the way it fits ergonomically into the hand puts it above the competition, especially the Huawei Mate X, which has a 6.6-inch display when folded. That's huge and totally defeats the purpose of a foldable phone. This device is an engineering marvel. Just look at that beautiful hinge, and the wide color options makes it a winner in my opinion. You get to show off a beautifully colored device on the back and just blow people away when you open it, and still keep your display scratch free, unlike the outward folding mechanism of the Huawei Mate X, which exposes the entire display, folded or unfolded. Don't you just love that? The phone has 6 cameras in total, 3 on the back, 2 in front when it's unfolded, and 1 selfie camera in the front when it's folded. Taking a picture is normal. When folded, you can take a selfie or take a picture of something or someone you're looking at, either a telephoto, a normal angle, or an ultra-wide angle photo, using the triple camera setup at the back. And when opened, you can take similar shots with the same camera setup at the back, or you could take a selfie with the dual selfie camera that sits in the notch. Watching movies and playing games will be great on this device, thanks to that big screen. And just see how amazing Instagram looks on this thing. I really don't understand people who aren't excited about foldable phones. The Fold also has Samsung's DeX support through USB-C and the new awesome reverse power share feature. Boy do I want this device. I made a video talking about the Huawei Mate X. I'll put a link in the description below. And let me know in the comment section below, which of these foldable phones do you prefer? The Huawei Mate X or the Samsung Galaxy Fold? Please subscribe to my channel to get more awesome tech updates like this, and hit the bell icon to get notified when I release another video. Remember to like and share this video if you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more MWC goodness.